Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list published on November 10, 2025, about 2 days ago. This paper introduces a reinforcement learning prioritized, 3-stage post-training pipeline for social networking services that boosts a compact 4B model by about 2.41 over a suboptimal 7B baseline and lifts performance by about 8.74 over the base model while using less than half the data. The paper is titled RedOne 2.0, Rethinking Domain-Specific LLM Post-Training and Social Networking Services, and the implications for domain adaptation are quite significant. Alright, the setup just underscored why efficient domain adaptation matters. Figure 1 compares SNS bench average score against model size and shows the RedOne 2.04B point outperforming many models around 7 billion parameters. The 30BA3B variant ranks near the top, which signals consistent scaling gains without heavy data use. The scatter suggests broad competition, so the advantage indicates the reinforcement learning prioritized recipe delivers strong results at compact sizes. Figure 2 shows the incremental training recipe that stabilizes domain adaptation for social networking services. The pipeline moves through 3 stages that alternate between reinforcement learning and supervised fine-tuning so the model gains domain skill without losing general ability. Preference optimization, which means training from pairwise human style choices rather than fixed labels, drives the reinforcement learning stages. Task-specific reward functions, including exact match, metric-based scoring, sandbox execution, and pattern checks, guide heterogeneous tasks. So, Table 1 summarizes head-to-head results across General Bench, SNS Bench, and SNS Trans Bench, showing balanced gains at both compact and mid scales. The key point is that RedOne 2.0 at 4 billion parameters leads its size group, which signals strong domain adaptation without sacrificing breadth. SNS Trans Bench means translation quality on social media text, so it stresses slang and cultural cues. The 30 billion A3B variant continues the trend with higher averages, which indicates steady scaling benefits. So the last table emphasized balanced gains across scales. Table 3 shows how each stage contributes to that balance in a compact 4 billion model. The right columns report General Bench, SNS Bench, and SNS Trans Bench scores. Exploratory learning lifts General Bench to about 71. Targeted fine-tuning raises SNS Bench to about 66 because it repairs domain weaknesses while mixing a bit of general data. Refinement learning settles the trade-offs at roughly 48 on SNS Trans Bench. Alright, wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. The reinforcement learning first, supervised fine-tuning, then reinforcement learning recipe delivers balanced gains across social networking services tasks while keeping general skills, and the compact 4 billion model rivals or beats larger baselines with less data. The broader implication is cheaper, faster domain adaptation for real products. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.